Are you ready to experience real estate differently? At Sell the Dwell, we're redefining how homes are listed, bought, and sold, with powerful Proptech tools built for today's market. Imagine listing your home with real-time market analytics that help set the perfect price. Visualizing every corner of a property through immersive 3D tours, so buyers can explore without stepping inside. Our platform puts buyers and sellers in complete control, anytime, anywhere. From smart search filters to personalized recommendations, we turn browsing into real discovery. No more endless paperwork or guesswork. Our digital tools simplify offers, speed up approvals, and keep everyone in the loop, saving time and reducing stress. Whether you're buying your dream home, selling to move forward, or renting your next place, Sell the Dwell makes it seamless, smarter, and faster. With our immersive virtual reality open house tours, we are revolutionizing the real estate experience that makes buying, selling, and renting seamless, data-driven, and delightfully simple. Discover how Proptech is changing the game. Visit sellthedwell.com and move smarter today.